big black one. Hey you guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This hair oil is the best medicine your skin could have, and let's just get into it. When it comes to Amla oil, we all know it's a hair oil, but there's really not a lot known about the benefits it can do for your skin. I had to hunt and dig on Amla oil being good for the skin. Am I being a guinea pig for doing this? The answer is yes, I am being a guinea pig as always. An article talking about Amla extract, which I don't know why they didn't call it the Indian gooseberry extract, but that's another story for another time. In the article, which is on Birdie, they reached out to a dermatologist by the name of Renal Hirsch. I know I'm not saying her name right. I know that for a fact. She said Amla extracts can be beneficial for most skin types since Amla is high in vitamin C, brightens your skin tone up. Fatty acids present in Amla oil can treat acne, nourish and soothe the skin's tissues. It protects the moisture barrier. Come through, Amla oil, come through. So today is like the first impressions of me using Amla oil on my face. This is the one I get. Some people use the Dunbar one. I've tried that one in my hair. I didn't really like it. I actually like this one, so I continue to purchase this one. I got it off of Amazon. I'm really excited. I've never tried this on my face before. I've always used it on my hair, so we are going to see how this is going to go.
Harder days make it easier to call you. I let myself give up. Slip on solid ground so I can drown the thought of what I don't wanna think of right now. I gave in to your sense of direction, and you just walked all over me.
So this is my face with all the skincare I put on. I just put serums on, and like I mentioned, I'm using the Amla oil as my moisturizer. I have high hopes for the Amla oil. This is what my skin looks like. Let me turn the light down. I am actually shocked because normally when I use these skincare products, they're really crappy. And with the Amla oil, I'm like really shining. I'm actually thinking this is gonna be like a hydrating, moisturizing oil for the face. Like, come through, Amla oil, come through. I want to update you guys on me just using Amla oil and serums, and look at my skin. I am shocked. It's been this hydrated all day long. The Amla oil is doing my skin so much justice, and like I have way less texture than I normally do. So this is what my face looks like in the morning. I actually washed my face, and oh my god, when the light hits it, it looks beautiful. I haven't put a toner on, essence, a serum, any moisturizer, no sunscreen. I'm just up to show you guys my skin. All I did was use a cleanser in the shower, then I used a toner and the Amla oil as my moisturizer. Y'all, my face is looking bomb with the Amla oil. Come through, Amla oil, and we are only a few days into this, and the Amla oil is hitting right, honey. Like, I am shocked at the results so far. My skin looks amazing. It is a wonderful moisturizer, and it's a hair oil. Today we're going to be oil cleansing with the Amla oil because I just want to see what my face looks like after oil cleansing. I don't know how this is gonna go. It's all in my mouth, you guys. I can't. You guys see my chin? I think a pimple popped. Like, oh my god, this is so gross. Like, can y'all see that? Like, what is going on? I've been oil cleansing for like almost 5 minutes, and you guys, like, black stuff is disgusting. And I also have like a little hair. Like, there's a hair. I'm gonna have to do a close-up on my finger so you guys can see the hair. Ew, look at that big black one. Yuck, my face is so gross. But this Amla oil is so silky, like, ew. Oh my God, you guys, this is nasty. And I have like a whole bunch of white ones. And this is a mess. My skin has been looking amazing. It's a wonderful moisturizer. It's my chin. See, look at ingrown hair like right here, and it happened when I started using the Amla oil, and y'all know it's a hair oil. As soon as I start putting that Amla oil all over my face, including my chin area, I started growing a beard. I'm lying, I'm kidding you not. So it may be something to the hair growth within, but when it comes to skin, I'm telling you now, it's made my skin look really good, and my eyelashes haven't actually fell out this whole entire week. So you guys, I've been noticing some really interesting things with the Amla oil. You guys know I've been having this irritating chin pimple / ingrown hair. It started when I started using Amla oil. Y'all know I got a little beard now. I got a little fade down here. I'll start getting a dark mark down here when it happens. I'm not getting a dark scar at all, and I am really shocked because I was really ready for it. I was like, come on, dark scar, I know you coming. I'm about to get the glycolic acid out. There was no need to do that since I've been using the Amla oil. Guys, my skin tone is really brightening up lately. Look at my skin. My skin hasn't looked this good since, I don't know, before the dial soap. So I just got done oil cleansing with the Amla hair oil. It's all in my mouth and it's like gross and it tastes like like, oh my God. But my skin is looking really good. So I'm gonna show you guys like my updated skincare routine.
I always love you most before you leave. These days I find myself wishing you were here asleep, head on my knees. I'm writing songs about missing you, but it won't feel like I'm missing paradise when I'm missing you. I think back to that night in Arizona, hot as hell, but your airs kept me colder. Throwing the towel, I'll find a place to watch you fall.
Okay, you guys, so I am officially done with my skincare routine. You guys see my skin? Doesn't it look good? This is actually one of my favorite things I swear we've tried on the channel is Amla oil for the skin. Even since I've had that ingrown hair and it turned into like a scab, like my scab is slowly disappearing. My skin has been looking good. I am like really surprised. Amla hair oil come through for the skin. And don't try to start making batches for the skin. Just keep it for the hair because I don't want y'all to be changing the recipe because this really works for the skin. Even like my ingrown hair that literally turned into a scab on my chin, I'm gonna show you guys. It's like right here. Look at it. It's slowly subsiding, and I didn't even use anything but the Amla oil, and the hyperpigmentation for it is almost gone. Can you guys see? Look at it. It's right here. I am so shocked with this Amla oil. Like, I am glowing, glazed donut vibes come through. So here are my final thoughts on using Amla hair oil on your face. I oil cleanse with it. I used it as a moisturizer. I used it in the morning time, in the nighttime, and I can honestly say that it lowered my moisturizer bill. I mean, come through Amla hair oil. It actually also reduced my hyperpigmentation just a little bit, especially when I had the ingrown hair. I mean, it was a lot going on with my chin. Y'all know my chin is a mess. I have nothing but really good things to say about Amla oil, and I really think if you want to use it on your face, you should give it a try. It's just not for hair. I was actually shocked that over the course of the few weeks that I did use the Amla oil, my tone like significantly brightened up. I thought it was about to be a Fair and Lovely moment. I'm just joking, opposite. With that being said, you guys, if you're on the fence about using Amla oil on your skin, don't be. It's one of the best experiences that I've had with my face in a long time. With that being said, you guys, let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.